Hello awesome tribe, this is the last video of this year 2018 and today is the last day. And before we wrapping up this year, I want to say thank you to each one of you. I'm immensely grateful to each one of you for being a part of this awesome tribe. When we started in 2018, we have only 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, and today we are close to 150,000 subscribers. And I'm immensely grateful to all of you for your love and for your support and for being a part of this journey. And start following your dreams, start implementing the tools, techniques and processes that we have shared with you. And I'm immensely grateful to you on behalf of all my team, because we have put our heart and soul in this process. And it's your love, it's your gratitude, it's your blessings, it's your wishes that has made this journey possible. And in next year we'll be sharing many more things, many more tools, processes and amazing programs and powerful processes that will really help you in a great way. So as you are wrapping up 2018, I want all of you to remember one thing, that the next year is knocking at your door, and you should decide, you should make this decision, you should have this conversation with the universe that it is going to be a truly magical year for you. It is going to be your greatest year. And no matter where you are today, whether you are with your family, friends, whether you have a celebration or you are just alone somewhere, one thing I want you to do today is be as much happy as you can, be as much joyful as you can, and welcome the next year, the new year that is knocking at your door, with love, with joy, with happiness, because that's how you will activate that energy, that positivity to attract more and more success and happiness and abundance in your life. And I'm immensely grateful to all of you for sharing so much of love, giving me so many gratitude, sharing so many success stories with us. And we are constantly working on putting all your success stories on our website, on videos, so that it will inspire more and more people. But at the same time, I know that some of you are struggling in your manifestation, some of you are not able to manifest things, some of you have a tough time. And sometimes, like, even we get messages and mails where people complain about it, like, AJ, my thing is not working, why it is not happening. So one thing I want you to remember here is that there is a season of sowing and reaping. When you are going for a dream, when you are working on your dreams, sometimes you are far away from your dreams. You have been carrying a lot of blockages, you have been carrying a lot of negativities, you have been carrying a lot of challenges inside of you. So no matter how many times you are practicing some processes, no matter how many times you are doing some particular activity, you are not yet there and you are not able to see the manifestation. And when you get frustrated, when you start feeling that, oh, it's not working for me, oh, why it is not working for me, oh, this process is fake, this process may not be right. When you start going into that mode, you hold your process of manifestation. You need to understand that if you desire, really desire something, that thing is out there for you to manifest. If you really want it, you are going to get it. But till the time you have to wait for it, till the time you have to keep doing your practices, till the time you have to be patient, till the time you have to have consistency. Because only if you are going through the process, then only you will manifest it. That is why it is said, it's not the destination, it's the journey that gives you the happiness. So if I want you to give one advice today, if I want you to remember one thing today, is start enjoying your journey, start finding love and happiness and joy in your journey of manifestation. And when you start finding and start enjoying your journey, then manifestation will start happening very fast. You will able to remove all your blockages, you will able to remove all the blocks, you will start manifesting so many things. So in 2019, you should remember one thing, that you should be enjoying your journey to fullest, because that's how you are going to manifest. And if you know how to enjoy your journey, if you know how to stay positive and happy and joyful in your journey of manifestation, then you can apply the same process and you can manifest everything. But if you keep asking yourself, why it is not working for me, oh, why things are not working, why other people are manifesting, not me, when you do that, you go off track and you'll never able to reach your destination. For example, if you want to grow some fruits, or if you want to do some cultivation, and you implant some seed in the ground, and then again after 2 days or 3 days you go and try to find out whether the tree is coming up or not, whether the sprout has happened or not, whether when the fruit will be coming, when the fruit will be coming. So if you keep thinking the fruits are not going to come within 2 days or 3 days or 5 days, sometimes it might take months, depending upon what you are implanting. Few things will take months, few things will take weeks, few things may take a year. But you have to have that faith and patience to be in the journey, and keep nurturing your dream, keep nurturing your manifestation, keep nurturing your desire. Like if you are if you're supposed to be a farmer, when you implant the seed, you nurture it even before the sprout come out, even before the small plant come out. You keep nurturing it, you keep taking care of it, because you trust the process. Even if you are not a scientific person, even if the farmer doesn't understand the science, but still the farmer knows one thing, that the seed is going to become a tree, and seed is going to become a plant, and it is going to give whatever the person has implanted. The same way, sometimes you may not be knowing how your manifestation is going to come true, how the universe is working behind for you, and you may not be knowing it. But one thing you know, that if you really desire that thing is out there, that thing is coming to you. But you have to trust the process, you have to trust this journey, and start learning to enjoy this journey, start learning to be happy in this journey. So that is, my friend, I want all of you to remember that enjoy your journey, be positive, be happy, be excited about your manifestation. That is the key, that is the key to your new year, that is the key to all the manifestation. When we started this journey, and when initially I had this YouTube channel, and many people, and I was not very active, I was not very focused, and sometimes many critic used to come and they comment like, oh, you know the law of attraction, and why you don't have like 50,000 subscribers, why you don't have even 10,000 subscribers. And then they started writing that, oh, you don't have 100,000 subscribers. And when we started working on this, creating more videos to help you people, start focusing our attention here and start adding value to your life, you people started joining and things started growing, and now we have almost 150,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And now those people are not coming back and asking. Yes, once in a while somebody asks and say like, hey, if this law of attraction is working, why you don't have 1 million subscribers? Yeah, we are going to reach 1 million subscribers soon, we know that, and all our awesome tribe people knows that. But sometimes when we are planting a seed, it may take a little time, and we must give our best attention, inspired action, we give our heart and soul in the manifestation process. And during whole this journey, I enjoy a lot creating these videos, I enjoy a lot sharing these ideas with you, I enjoy a lot sharing these tools and techniques with you, because this is how I feel that the universe has given me a purpose to connect with all of you. And same way, when you want to manifest something, go forward, enjoy the journey, because your success is waiting out there for you. So thank you. I'm immensely grateful to you on behalf of our team and my whole awesome tribe, that I wish all of you create super magical 2019. Remember, the key is to enjoy your journey. And I'll be sharing some tools, techniques and processes in the upcoming few days, so that you will kickstart your journey to 2019. So immensely grateful to you for being a part of our awesome tribe in 2018, and wishing you a super magical, awesome, happy and joyful and abundant new year in advance. But of course, I'm going to give you the wish again. Thank you.